Hi. How are you?
Hi.
My God. So pretty.
How are you?
How are you? Come.
Are we going for a drive?
So we are going for a drive. We'll go to
Amazing.
Land's End
Okay.
and we will come back. While coming back, do you want to drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love to
Cool.
drive.
You love to drive?
Yes.
Super. Chalo, shall we go, Shreya?
Yes. Ganpati
How-
Bappa.
Ganpati Bappa Moria. How often do you drive here, drive around? Are you a driving person?
I actually love to drive, but I
Okay.
love to drive early in the morning because traffic is too bad,
Yeah,
Rohit.
yeah.
It's too bad.
Yeah.
It's gotten worse.
Mm-hmm.
But I find driving quite therapeutic actually.
I totally relate to
find
that.
driving
It's amazing. I
Yeah.
really only wish we had better roads
I know.
and we had better traffic sense.
I
But
know.
But from whatever I hear and
Yeah.
see also,
Yeah.
still Mumbai has the best traffic sense than as compared to many
For
other cities.
sure. But you know, if you go to places like Bhopal and
Yeah.
even Rajasthan, the roads are
Mm.
very good.
Yeah. True.
I like this Bandra stretch, and even
Uh.
the coastal road now is fun to drive.
Yeah. The coastal road,
Sealing
the
coastal
Atal
road is
Setu.
fun, yeah. But I'm the kind of driver, I have to tell you, people make fun of me
Mm.
because I drive at my own pace. I'm not a slow driver, mind you.
Okay.
And when we're on our way back, I'm going to,
Yeah,
I'll drive.
we'll test that.
You can test that. I've been driving for like since college actually.
Okay.
But I'm a careful driver, which
Mhm.
irritates my mother
Huh.
because she's like, "Arey, go! Why aren't you going? Why are you driving slow?" She'll make me get up.
That's yeah.
Um,
That's,
and I
so
do
she wants
backseat
you to go
driving.
slightly faster.
Yeah, she's like, "Why are you going so
Wow.
slow?" Because she's a full like adventurous, let's speed up a little bit
How cool.
kind of person. And
Yeah.
I also do backseat driving, which a lot of people have that tendency. So अगर मुझे लगा brake press करना, मैं इधर
Yeah.
press करूँ.
My mother-in-law is the opposite. When I drive, she's like, hadu.
हड़ू. Yes.
Yeah. So you have a release coming.
Yeah.
And you have in the past played a detective, you played a journalist, lawyer, yeah. And now you're playing cop.
Yeah.
And you look great in that.
Thank
I
you.
saw the trailer of
But it's a
Shalkapat.
feel, you know. It's an absolute feel. जब आप वर्दी
हाँ,
पहनते हैं,
हाँ.
or any uniform for that
Hmm.
matter,
Hmm.
immediately वो rubab, that aura, that posture,
Hmm.
that sense of kind of authority, responsibility very
हाँ.
naturally comes in. So whenever I would wear the cop
Hmm.
uniform and walk onto set,
Hmm.
automatically I'll be like, क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या सोच रहा है, क्या हो रहा है?
That's so cool. You know, that's what I wanted to ask you. A lot of people say, ki, you know, the minute uniform makes all the difference and adds so much. It really adds that extra X factor that
Of
you're
course.
prepared, but
Of course.
after that,
Otters Club, can I interrupt and tell you
please,
fun
yes,
fact?
yes, please.
That so growing up I was a competitive swimmer for the first 10 years of my life. I was
Okay.
a state level Maharashtra state level gold medalist
Oh
under
my
7
God,
and under
so
9.
cool.
And Otters Club में मेरी संदीप सर, the late
हाँ.
संदीप सर,
हाँ.
हमारे कोच, उनके साथ ट्रेनिंग होती थी.
Okay.
So this Otters Club memories are
It's like
very
full
very
childhood memory for you, yeah?
very close to my heart because I would come here 5 in the morning to train
Oh, wow.
before my school.
That
Yeah,
dedicated, huh?
I love this bungalow.
Yeah, but you know, that's a good part about Bandra has
Yeah.
these amazing one-off beach where old
Vintage,
bungalows.
old
yeah.
bungalows, and
Yeah.
I feel like in cities we're so caught up, Rohit, in trying to
Yeah.
just build
Oh my God.
buildings that we let go of the cultural
Yeah.
value of,
Yeah.
you know,
True.
the beautiful balconies, the trees.
True. Have you seen that famous yellow bungalow on this road?
Of course, so many ad shoots happen.
Correct.
there.
Yeah.
So
it's-
many ad shoots happen, and I like Bandra because some of that old world charm is still there.
it's still
and
there.
my favorite bakeries are here.
Yeah.
Some of my favorite food coffee shops are here.
Yeah.
So I love it.
So tell me, when did you sign this show? When was this shot? Was it a while ago?
It was in April.
Okay, it was in
it was
April.
a very quick turnaround.
Wow, that must be great, right?
Yeah, I actually also feel that. I mean, it's an experiment for Z because this is a
Mhm.
new format for them. Unlike Broken News, which was a larger 8-9 episode, 1 hour each.
Okay.
Chal Kapat The Deception is 7 episodes, 20 to 25 minutes each.
Okay.
It's a very quick
Wow.
watch.
Okay.
It's entertaining. It's a family watch.
Hmm.
Binge worthy bhi hai, but
Hmm.
without compromising on the nuances. So
Okay.
attempt wo hai to
Okay.
kind of
Right.
make it, keep it light, keep it fun.
Hmm.
I guess given like the evolving nature of
Hmm.
the industry today, platforms are experimenting with these different.
That's really, you know, like, for actors like you, ऐसा कुछ offer आता होगा, it must be really nice that finally something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a quick turnaround also. And although I'm focusing a lot more on film work now.
Okay.
That's a very clear focused agenda I have because I miss that medium. Also,
The feel of Bandra.
I love these
Yeah.
flowers. बांद्रा के फूल बहुत महंगे होते हैं
Yeah.
लेकिन
That's true. Bandra के फूल है तो
बांद्रा के फूल
yeah,
महंगे
yeah,
होते हैं.
true.
Sorry, so I was saying that
हाँ.
even though I'm focusing on film work, for me in the OTT space, what will really attract me now is if the look or the part is genuinely different from what I have
What
done,
you've done.
and if it's a different genre.
Hmm.
Because I've done more of thrillers and dramas, so I really want to do comedy.
It would be great to see you in a
Rom-com.
comedy. Yeah, rom-com.
And
But-
I've done comedy on stage.
Which yeah, rom-com बनाते ही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं? I feel.
But rom-coms are so nice if done
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
बनाते हैं, but I feel कि मतलब unapologetically go all out और बनाओ.
Yeah. True. Like they used to make earlier. Like what?
I miss that. So I'm trying to see if I can get someone to write a rom-com.
Rom-com.
Writers, send me a rom-com scripts.
Yeah. Whoever is listening, please. Yeah.
Please. Yeah.
Right. And what are your Bandra memories? Now that we are driving in Bandra, I know.
Hirsch Bakery.
Yeah. Right. Of
Right
course.
here.
Right here. Yeah. Correct.
Hirsch
This is such a
Bakery
bakery
is
place.
such a wonderful OG bakery place जहाँ पे you can't sit there,
Hmm.
but their tarts are
Yummy,
wonderful.
yummy,
Their
yeah.
sandwiches are wonderful. Of course, candies.
Yeah.
The chutney sandwich.
The plain
The
chutney
chicken
sandwich.
sandwich.
Yeah.
All the food of candies is amazing. Of course, the rolls, the street food. And I love La Loca Maria is one of my favorite places.
Right. Now that you're famous, does it become less to go all out just to candies whenever you want?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And I also feel कि Mumbai is chill. And
yeah,
I mean,
true.
of course, Shah Rukh Khan won't be stepping out.
Yeah.
But here, if someone wants to come up to you, it's totally fine.
Fine.
They'll come, they'll
Take a
respect.
picture.
Yeah, they'll
Yeah.
respect your space.
Hmm.
They'll stare at you till you eat, and then they'll be like, "Can I have a picture?" Or people are very chilled out in
Yeah,
cities. I feel.
True.
If it was a smaller town, then I would kind of just maybe think twice.
Correct.
But
correct.
people are very kind.
Yeah. I agree. That
Yeah.
whole they don't intrude that much. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're crossing Mehboob Studio. What all have you
Oh.
shot here?
So many places. I think I remember a lot of Mirzapur promotions happened at Mehboob.
Yeah.
And Mehboob is iconic. My father has told me a lot of stories about Mehboob because it's been around for so
Yeah,
long. Shall we
yeah.
go to Mount Mary?
Yeah, sure.
Let's
Yeah,
see,
let's go to
yeah.
Mount Mary
Yeah.
and then.
So Mehboob also, what's nice is that within sort of the radius of this place also you have so many sort of studios, you have
Yeah.
film locations as well.
Yeah.
Graffiti also.
True. Yeah, there's one graffiti here of really nice.
Lot of the
Rishi Kapoor ji
Yes.
is down this road.
सब OG Bandra के रहने वाले.
Yeah, it's like this is called a photo shoot point. यहाँ
Oh
पे
my
हर कोई
God.
आके photo shoot करता है.
No influencers in the heat right now. But I also come to Bandra sometimes because honestly, it's really sad to say this, but today trees are luxury.
Yeah,
we have
yeah.
ruined our surrounding by cutting all the trees.
True.
So now, if you're paying more for real estate, Rohit, you're paying to see trees outside.
Trees
your
outside. Yeah. That's true. And it's damn sad. Every construction I see, they are literally killing one or two trees without like anyone noticing. It's sad. Yeah. So tell me, when the release comes, what is this phase? Like, do you, one night before the release, do you get आराम से sleep कि सुबह देखेंगे क्या होता है?
Nervousness तो होती है.
होती है.
Of course. I mean, अगर नहीं हुई nervousness,
हाँ.
then I should be worried because that means you're little complacent.
Yeah,
Nervousness
yeah.
is good.
होनी चाहिए.
And of course, I'm ये project में headline कर रही हूँ, तो
Yeah.
it's, you know, more of it. But nervousness होती है, but at the same time, I think that you really don't have control over how the audience will perceive it because sometimes look at that banyan tree.
Yeah, so beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful.
Sometimes you have your own version of लोगों को क्या अच्छा लगेगा, नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, and you can always be surprised by what's there. But I had fun in this process, and people enjoy murder mysteries. I feel
Yeah.
it's a
Everybody
genre
enjoys,
that
yeah.
everybody really enjoys.
Correct.
So I'm looking forward to it, and it's my first release of the year, which is always nice.
When the trailer drops, when the trailer finally comes,
Yeah.
who do you show it to? Whose feedback do you like?
I actually once the teaser trailer is out, मैं feedback तो पूछती ही नहीं हूँ, डर लगता है तो मैं feedback नहीं पूछती, मैं भेज देती हूँ, and then of course once it comes out, people are supportive, yeah. No one's going to say it's not good or bad.
That's Mount Mary, the beautiful Mount Mary.
Please, acha. All the blessings for the series we need.
Correct. This also gives very Bandra vibes, right? We suddenly we're in another place, absolutely multicultural Bandra.
And it's not crowded, so it's actually a very nice time.
Yeah, it's a good time. So yeah, that's what I thought, that this is a time where it is really nice and peaceful. When was the last time, Shreya, you went up in there? Do you go?
Yes, I mean, I visit the temple almost 6 times a week.
Really? Wow. A temple close to your house or
close
something?
Close to my house. There's a Devi temple. And
oh, nice.
I pray there, I meditate there, and that is something that I truly love. It grounds me.
Wow, that's so nice.
And whenever I'm in Bandra, I love to come even light a candle at Mount Mary because it's very nice. But बहुत भीड़ भी होती है कभी-कभी.
True.
So not always there.
True.
But yeah, I really like it, and I like to walk around. Something that we don't do much is walking around the city that often.
Yeah, right now the phase that Mumbai is going through is terrible. The digging and the everything. So walking is like really become tough.
What? Sorry, I got distracted.
He's replying. What we are losing is the sea view. Of course, development will come at a cost, and we'll eventually have a great road that will connect. But that sunset that we used to see here will be gone forever.
Well, the rate at which global warming is happening, ये unfortunately एक दिन
अंदर ही आ जाएगा.
हम पर ही आने वाला है.
That's true.
We are on Mannat.
Yeah, we are crossing Mannat.
तो शाहरुख सर को फोन करें.
Yeah, I don't think he lives here anymore.
I know he doesn't live here.
But yeah, this is the house of your first Hindi movie co-star.
Yes.
That will always be special, isn't it?
Oh my gosh. I mean, there are some days that if the pictures pop up on my phone as memory, it just kind of makes me feel so special because I can say that मेरी filmography में मैं शाहरुख की heroine रह सकती हूँ.
First Hindi movie that too. How lucky! Imagine that's
very special. Yeah. And it's actually very nice because you also have a lot of cultural events happening.
Yeah, all the time. Yeah.
चलाऊं?
Yeah, come. चलो, let's test your.
ये टेस्ट की बात थोड़ी ना है. टेस्ट की बात.
Yeah, टेस्ट की बात है. Yeah. Super. Now I can relax.
Now you can relax.
Yeah, because I also wrote my questions for you. मैं सोचा था मैं चलाते how will I ask you?
I actually really like this Tom and Jerry that you have here.
That's cute. It's थोड़ा calming, soothing. I have my Ganpati here, but I have my Tom and Jerry.
That's a beautiful Ganpati also.
Yeah. So earlier my mom used to come and she would be like, "ये क्या रखा है?" She would always do like that. Tom and Jerry.
So sweet. Oh, that is so cute.
Then she would get irritated.
Tom and Jerry ko namaste.
Then she would get irritated saying, first I had an Iron Man, and then I had Hulk. Like, ये क्या सब? Every time you don't keep God over here. Anyway, so give me a good memory from fan that stays with you. You said the memories keep popping up.
Actually, since we're sitting in the car, there's a beautiful picture of Shahrukh sir and I.
Wow.
Wherein I'm on the driver's seat and he's sitting behind. And it was special because we were sitting in the car क्योंकि shot setup हो रहा था और हमने colony में actually एक colony में shoot कर रहे थे. So it was just our break. It was quite special and surreal that him and I were casually chilling in the car.
So cool.
So it was really nice.
Wow. When you play a cop, would you like to meet someone? Would you like to see how they are? Would you like to go there and?
So I have to say कि when actors or when I play a profession, मैं कॉप प्ले नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं देविका राठौड़ को प्ले कर रही हूँ. तो इन द फ्यूचर ऐसा हो सकता है कि मुझे फिर से कॉप प्ले करने का मौका मिले. एंड I will do that because you're not playing the profession. I didn't want to copy anybody's mannerisms. I was quite clear that I want it to be authentic to Devika's journey. और इस कहानी में छल कपट the reception में दिखाया गया है that Devika has recently lost her husband.
Right.
तो उसका state of mind बहुत अलग है. And she is not a unnecessarily aggressive cop.
Okay.
She's very smart, but वो हंसते हंसते सारी information निकाल लेगी.
Oh, nice. हाँ.
And
हाँ.
as the title says, the deception.
The deception,
Even
yeah.
she's not who she seems to be, FYI.
Oh my God. Okay.
So
That's
everyone
very
has
interesting.
secrets,
हाँ.
and in this murder mystery, this murder that's happening is happening in a house of friends.
Hmm.
So you know what they say, that when there are deep long friendships,
हाँ.
बहुत ऐसी चीजें suppressed भी होती हैं
Hmm.
जो one fine day it all explodes,
Right.
it all comes out.
Right. Right.
So,
Yeah.
It was super interesting.
Mhm. So wow, that's a lot of twists for a. And you're saying it's a quick watch. You're saying it's a.
It is a binge watch. It is a quick watch.
Mhm.
And what is like exciting for me is that my entire approach towards my career now
Hmm.
has shifted in a way that I'm very stubborn now about what I want to do. Like I said, focusing on films is important, and it's not always easy, Rohit, for these opportunities to come by.
Yeah.
Especially
yeah,
if people
true.
have seen you
Mhm.
more work in OTTs in
Yeah,
the OTT
yeah.
space.
Hmm.
There are chances that only similar kinds of work comes, और ये हर एक्टर को
होता
होता
ही
है.
है. Yeah.
So कहीं ना कहीं फिर आपको aggressively creative ways से you have to figure out what is it that I want to do for myself.
Right.
So next month I have a release, and I don't want to spoil the suspense for you.
Right.
It's a very different choice I've
How
made as
cool
an
in
actor.
1 month.
In July.
अरे वाह.
इस
That's so
साल
cool.
यही 2 releases
हाँ.
होंगे.
हाँ.
But next month what I'm playing is the darkest character I've ever played.
Oh my God.
It is something that I've wanted to do because people would not have imagined me easily in that role. So these are the kind of things I want to do.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow, and this is now, and that's in July. That's like really
अभी.
closely. This is not something that can be planned, right? हो जाता है.
हो जाता
हो
है,
जाता है,
वो
हाँ.
आपके हाथ में नहीं होता, हो
हम्म,
जाता है. But then इस साल इतना ही मिलेगा.
नहीं, बहुत है, बहुत है. अच्छे 2 रोल होए, उससे that's it.
And anyway, then like you're meeting people, figuring
Yeah.
what next.
Yeah, tell me, you drive very well. I want to ask you, I take
Yeah.
you back. Who taught you driving?
It's a very funny story.
Hmm.
So driving schools में कभी-कभी आप actually चलाते भी नहीं हैं, because I think
That's
the
true, yeah. Yeah.
driving instructor
Is literally doing.
is literally doing
हाँ,
it
हाँ, हाँ,
for you.
हाँ,
So like I said, my mother's super adventurous.
Okay.
तो एक चौधरी जी थे,
हाँ,
और लिटरली उनका हमने पोस्टर पैम्फलेट देखा था.
हाँ.
तो चौधरी जी आए और उन्होंने कहा, आपकी गाड़ी है, मैं आपको वैगनआर में सिखाऊंगा. मतलब वो थोड़ी बहुत ठुक गई तो भी स्ट्रेस नहीं है.
हाँ.
वैगनआर सिखाऊंगा. एंड आज पहला दिन है.
हाँ.
7वें दिन आप मुझे घर पे पिकअप करने आओ.
अरे वाह, क्या confidence है.
And I love that confidence.
Yeah, you need that, yeah.
And literally on the 4th day थोड़ा आगे गई.
Hmm.
He would just get off. मैं उतर रहा हूँ, मैं चल रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
आप आइए मेरे पीछे.
So cool, that's really cool.
That is what he
हाँ.
would be doing.
That's
So
great.
then,
हाँ.
literally for that 1 week,
हाँ.
I have practiced.
Wow, so on the 5th day, did you drop him?
So on the 8th day, I had no option. He would just go. तो
हाँ.
option ही नहीं था मेरे पास.
Hmm.
And I picked him up.
Hmm.
And then it took me 2 months to be fully confident, because then I would take the car on the highway.
Right. हाँ.
But I do agree that a lot of people who did not learn driving at a younger age
Right.
are now too scared to start learning how to drive.
Yeah.
And
It's a-
that's because when you're
okay.
younger, you are more willing to sort of fail. You're less fearful.
Right.
So इसलिए मुझे skating सीखना था बचपन में, वो
हाँ.
मैंने नहीं किया.
हाँ.
और अभी मैं सीख रही हूँ,
हाँ.
थोड़ा डर के सीख रही हूँ कि इंजरी ना हो जाए.
Right. That's
So,
easier to learn when you're
It's
young.
much easier to
Yeah,
learn
yeah.
things. So I'm really glad I could learn.
But you would like a good car, and you'd like to always have a good car, and which you can also drive. And
So I like cars, but I'm not obsessive about it where I'm like, oh, there's a new car, let's get this,
let's get it.
that.
Yeah.
I also think, let's be realistic, for Mumbai roads sometimes. Have we crossed where?
No. We have to.
For
Okay.
Mumbai roads, sometimes like I have a BMW that I don't like
Yes.
to drive, only because like I'll tell the driver to drive it, and that's only because लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर वो आके ठुक दे.
Yeah.
तो फर्क नहीं
They
पड़ता
will
उन्हें.
scratch and go also, not stop and say
So
sorry also.
I'll
Yeah.
tell my driver only to do it, because parking also can be an issue, and वो चलाना आजकल बहुत आसानी से
Yeah. Now they can take a picture. Yeah.
कट
We'll
जाता है.
turn and park behind this one.
Can I tell you a very random fun fact about
Please.
me? Is it recording? I'll
It
tell
is
you.
recording. Yeah. I'm
I
checking,
hate
yeah.
U-turns.
You.
I am so.
But luckily, there's literally you wanted no one in front of
But
you.
I
Koi nahi
am
hai.
so uncomfortable with U-turn. Not uncomfortable. I just don't like it. So people make
Yeah.
fun of me because I take really long.
You are amazing, yeah. You drove very well. This
Why
is
were you surprised though?
no, because you were giving these very nervous vibes.
Nervous wise because I'm driving your
Yeah,
car.
correct. That's true. Okay, let me call.
Yes.
1 second.
रोहित आप सरप्राइज क्यों हो गए कि आई ड्रोव वेल
Because-
ये ऐसा क्यों लोगों को
मेरे
लगता
को
है
आप में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस था जब आपने बोला, बट देन थोड़ी नर्वस वाइब्स आ रही थी.
यू नो जब मैं किसी और की गाड़ी चलाती हूँ
Hmm,
जस्ट टू
that's
अंडरस्टैंड द
fair.
मैकेनिज्म
Yeah.
कुछ हो जाएगा मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है इसलिए मैं
And this is also a new concept for you. This is not fully automatic.
actually I'm very curious. I learned on I learned on manual and
Yeah.
that is the best thing because I know a lot of people
yeah.
who don't know manual at all
Correct. Yeah. This
and then it's like ये क्या है क्या करें
So good. So that was what you did was well, I have to say. Yeah. So we spoke about who taught you driving. When was the last time? Chaudhary ji. And when was the last time you like, I don't want a driver, I don't want anyone, I'm taking the car and just going.
when I go to the salon near my house
You go near.
I just it's easy to
It's
drive.
easy to drive, yeah.
I just quickly go. It's
Mhm.
easy to drive. I
Mhm.
take the small car. It's easy to park.
Mhm.
And I actually genuinely like to drive, but only when there's no traffic. मतलब सुबह 6 बजे
Salon तो नहीं खुलता
सुबह
होगा.
6 बजे मैं जाती हूँ.
हाँ.
But यार आजकल it's if you have the luxury of having a driver,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
just
yeah.
easier
True.
because where do you park? What do you do?
True.
Or then sometimes if I have to go close, I'll just get into rickshaw quickly, just speed and
Right.
speed up. Yeah.
Tell me one thing. Who are you close to? Are you close to your cousins? Do you all go on? Would you all go drive and go somewhere? Who are you? Your friends?
Oh, my idea of chilling is not necessarily going on a drive. I'm a homebody, so I love to
Okay.
chill at home.
Hmm.
Order food in, watch
Hmm.
something nice, play board games. I love
Huh.
that, and I love to travel.
Hmm.
So I'm that person. I'm like, okay, I want to go to the mountains. Okay, who's free? You want to come? Okay, let's go. For me, I enjoy one-on-one time with my friends
Right.
more than groups because I feel you can't really check in with a person. You can't
Yeah.
really then. For groups are fun
Hmm.
if you're just going out, maybe
Hmm.
get a drink for food.
Correct.
But actually, just chilling. I love my one-on-one time with different
Different.
people.
Right. Yeah.
But when I'm not working, I also like to just be and get my energy back because we're meeting so many people. all the
Yeah.
time.
My God, that's true. Yeah.
So
yeah.
as much as I'm social, I'm also very much कि ज्यादा नहीं करना.
ज़्यादा नहीं करना है.
मुझे
Yeah.
हमेशा वीकेंड बाहर ऐसा जाना मतलब
Correct.
जरूरी नहीं है.
Was there a phase where you would like Friday night, Saturday night, let's go out? Was there a
Never.
phase? Never. Wow.
Never. I somehow didn't have groups that partied a lot.
Hmm.
I enjoy partying,
Hmm.
but it's not something that like I love to dance. So if
Hmm.
it's someone's birthday,
Hmm.
occasion हो तो हम करें.
Yeah.
But let's go party.
That's not
वैसा
your-
नहीं
yeah.
हुआ है मेरा.
हाँ.
Yeah.
You know, it's not just going for a drive, like going to, when you said mountains, like say going to Mahabaleshwar, where you literally have to drive and go. Would you do those things? Did you do those
You know,
things
I've
earlier?
never driven long distance.
Okay.
But I want to.
Hmm.
And because I love the mountains so much, I feel I would love to do a road trip.
Hmm.
In fact,
Hmm.
I really want to do a road trip film.
Wow, that would, yeah.
You know,
They should make a girls' road trip
like,
movie, yeah.
I mean, I think they've attempted it, but like a film जहाँ पे एक open car में drive कर रहे
yeah.
हैं, there's wind, we're looking
Yeah.
all glamorous, and a cute guy comes and we say, come, you know,
yeah.
that
True,
kind of a vibe. I would enjoy doing a road trip film and driving. When I am abroad, I do rent out a car
Oh, nice.
and I drive. I'm comfortable driving on this side as well.
Correct.
So that's nice to have
Hmm.
because वहाँ पे हमेशा, I mean, Iceland में जब थे कहाँ पे you know,
Yeah, it's
you don't
true.
always have
Yeah.
unless you're going with a tour.
Yeah.
So I enjoy that kind of time, and I know a lot of people who find it very relaxing. Also, to just
True.
unwind.
Right.
Yeah.
I can't help notice, but see that cat sitting in the window watching the sea. Can you see there? Like thoda aage okay see. Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah, such a pretty picture it'll be.
I know, it's such a beautiful photo.
Yeah.
That is
I'll
so
later,
pretty.
if she's still sitting, I'll go and take it. Let's.
A lot
Okay.
of my energy, just like you're looking at cats, my eyes are always looking at
Dogs
dogs and
cats.
rescues because
Yeah.
I've done a lot of fostering, and the
Yeah,
dog I have
nice.
at home also is an indie adopted
Oh,
dog.
nice. Lovely.
So meri nazar like
yeah.
it's like always
Yeah. Same. I have a dog and a cat, so that's why I'm both sides.
Tom and Jerry
Yeah.
vibes.
ये मेरे घर पे ही होता है.
Nice.
Yeah. Come, let's take a nice picture
Yes.
in the car.